There's a lot of excitement in immunotherapy in all cancer, but especially in multiple myeloma. We made lots of strides, and I think we're ready for another big push, and that's with the immunotherapies. There's the cellular therapies are the ones that are taking the lead at this time, and in particular the CAR T therapies are very intriguing and very interesting. The CAR T therapy right now is still in its early stages in myeloma, but the dominant target is BCMA. In BCMA, there are probably about 10 different CAR T programs being directed at BCMA, and the most advanced right now is the BB2121, which is the Bluebird and Celgene product. That has the most advanced clinical data, but there are several other BCMA and CD38 CAR Ts that will be coming, and we'll probably see data at this year's ASH. So in terms of the BB2121, this is a cellular therapy, it's a CAR T therapy, a chimeric antigen receptor T cell that is directed against BCMA. And BCMA is found in all myeloma cells. Initially, the expression of BCMA was variable, and it was unclear whether that meant some myeloma cells express it more than others, but we feel that that's probably not the case, that it actually is expressed in all myeloma cells, and that has borne out with the data. And so BB2121 has very impressive activity in a very relapsed refractory myeloma population of at least 7 prior therapies. So these are patients that have exhausted all of their therapies, and in that population we are seeing very impressive results. The overall response rate thus far is in excess of 80%. But if you actually look at the population that received the cell product at the range that we feel is therapeutic, we're actually talking of overall responses greater than 90%. So, so that is actually quite impressive in this population. The responses appear to be durable, and so we have the earliest inkling of the progression-free survival. The progression-free survival in the population is about a year. Now, I will remind you that that is in the patients that were in the dose escalation. So the very early patients, and it includes the patients that received cell products that were probably less than what we consider therapeutic. So it'll be interesting to see the updates with the expansion population to see if we can improve on that. But having said that, again, this is, again, I remind you that it's a very refractory population where we're used to progression-free survivals of 4 months getting a drug approved in this indication.